What I wish I knew before blaming the pollen. Turns out my own shampoo was setting off my sneezes. Yup, it's not always the great outdoors. Here's a surprise. Fragrance allergies are totally real. Those words, fragrance or perfume on your shampoo or body wash. They can be sneaky little triggers for sneezing, stuffy noses, or even headaches. And it's not just perfume. Any product with added scents could be to blame. Next time you're shopping, check the label before you toss something in your cart. If your nose gets the sniffles, try switching to fragrance-free products. Seriously, your sinuses will thank you. It's like decluttering your bathroom and your airways. Remember, your nose knows. So, give it a break and sniff smarter. Save this tip for your next shopping trip and breathe a little easier.